Today we're going to show you how to change colours mid-row, and this technique applies for whether you're changing colours or just starting a new ball. So we're going to do it with double crochet. So you'll start your stitch like normal, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull it through your first 2 loops. And so now we're going to put our new yarn over our hook and finish this stitch with the new ball. So pop your yarn over and then pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And now you've attached the new colour. So to secure the 2 ends that are now loose, we're going to carry it across as we continue to double crochet to the end of the row. So holding your 2 loose ends either behind or in front of your work, you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch and make sure that those 2 loose ends are in between your piece of yarn and your work because you want to secure them. So now we'll complete our stitch like normal. And if you turn your work over, you can see that you've carried these 2 loose ends across the stitch. So we'll do that for a few stitches to make sure that they're nice and secure, and then you can cut them nice and short. And now you know how to start a new colour mid-row.